Hello, my dear students. I'm going to discuss with you your PAS exam for class 10th English. First of all, we have reading comprehension, and for attempting this, we will read the questions first. Question number 1. The little boy was lazy, careless, patient, short tempered. Question number 2. The number of nails hammered into the fence daily decreased gradually because the boy was tired, the hammer broke, the boy was fed up with this activity. The boy learned to control his anger. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is not true? The boy had a bad temper. The father asked him to drive a nail into the fence every time he lost his temper. The father was very angry with the boy after the task was finished. Soon the boy learned to control his temper. Question number 4. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence because he wanted to get the nails back. He wanted to praise his son for his good work. He wanted to scold his son for his carelessness. He wanted to show his son the after effect of anger. The holes in the fence symbolize that anger leaves scars on other people's mind, creates difference between the father and the son, puts the knife in other person's heart, breaks the fence between people. Dear students, now we will read the passage and try to find out the answers of the questions. Once there was a little boy who had a bad temper. And here we find the answer of our first question. The little boy was short tempered. His father gave him a bag of nails and told him to hammer a nail into the back of the fence every time he would lose his temper. The first day the boy had driven 37 nails into the fence. Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually dwindled down. He discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into the fence. Here is the answer of our second question. The number of nails hammered into the fence daily decreased gradually because the boy learned to control his anger. Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father that about it, and now the father suggested him to pull out one nail for each day that he was able to hold his temper. The day passed, and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that all the nails were gone. Here is the answer of our third question. Which of the following statement is not true? And the answer is option C. The father was very angry with the boy after the task was finished. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence. He said, "You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. This fence will never be the same. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar just like this one." Here is answer of our fourth question. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence because he wanted to show his son the after effect of anger. You can put a knife in a man and draw it out. It won't matter how many times you say, "I'm sorry." The wounds will still be there. Here is answer of our fifth question. The holes in the fence symbolizes that it leaves scar on other people's mind. Let's see our next questions. He can sit and read for hours at a stretch. Choose correct meaning of the idiom at a stretch. Dear students, at a stretch means continuously. Question number 7. Choose the correct sentence. And the options are: one of my friend is a teacher, one of my friends is a teacher, one of my friend are teacher, one of my friends are teacher. And the correct answer is option B. One of my friends is a teacher. Question number 8. Do you want dash my address? Fill in the blanks with suitable known finite. No, to know, knowing, known. And the correct answer is to know. Question number 9. He will explain it to you when he dash back. When he comes, will come, has come. And the correct answer is comes. Question number 10. He was feeling weak dash he went to his office. Options: so, never, but, and the correct answer is but. Next question: what did the prince ask the swallow? To take the ruby from his eyes, to take the ruby from his crown, to take the ruby from his sword hilt, to take the sapphire from his sword hilt. And the correct answer is option C, to take the ruby from his sword hilt. Next question: what is there in the personality of every man? Options: a store of unused power, a great preacher, an unsuccessful story, fear. And the correct answer is option A, a store of unused power. 13. The proud possession of Jim was dash. Options: his salary, his wife Della, a gold watch, a flat. And the answer is option C, a gold watch. The blind man was selling dash on the sidewalk. Options: books, pencils, pens, checks. And the answer is option B, pencils. Rice was in his blood means. Options: he ate nothing but rice, he likes the smell of rice, he knew all about rice, all one of these. And the answer is option C, he knew all about rice. The name of the poet of the poem A Ballad of Sir Pratap Singh is James Kirkup, Rabindranath Tagore, Sir Henry Newbolt, John Keats. And the correct answer is Sir Henry Newbolt. Which of the following is not true? Jim and Della were husband and wife. They had great love for each other. Jim earned only $20 a week. Della couldn't manage to buy a gift for Jim. And the answer is option D. Della couldn't manage to buy a gift for Jim. Question number 18. The ultimate fate of all human beings is dash. Old age, life, youth, death. And the answer is death. Machines give us more and more hours of dash. Options: hard work, leisure, health, life. And correct answer is leisure. And the last one, choose the correct English translation of the following sentence. ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਬਰਬਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ? Do you waste your time? Will you waste your time? Did you waste your time? Was your time wasted? And the answer is option C. Did you waste your time? I hope, dear students, you have well understood this question paper. Thank you.